Today in this video, I will discuss about 5G wireless technology. In this video, I will cover introduction to 5G, evolution from 1G to 5G, key concepts, architecture, hardware and software of 5G, features, advantages, applications, and conclusion. Now, introduction to 5G. What is 5G? What does it offer? What is 5G? 5G stands for 5th generation wireless technology. It is complete wireless communication with almost no limitation. It can be called real wireless world. It has incredible transmission speed. In telecommunication, 5G is the 5th generation technology for network. It is new global wireless standard. All 5G wireless devices are connected to the internet and telephone network by radio waves through a local antenna. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher Gbps peak speed, higher performance and improve efficiency and connect new industries. What does it offer? Worldwide cellular phones, extraordinary data capability, high connectivity, more power and feature in handheld phones, large phone memory, more dialing speed, more clarity in audio and video. Evolution from 1st generation to 5th generation. On December 1st, 2018, South Korea became the first country to offer 5G. First generation began in 1979 in Tokyo. Later, US approved first generation. Second generation launched in 1991 in Finland, while third generation launched in 2001 by NIT Docomo. Fourth generation, the streaming era. Fourth generation launched in 2009 in Sweden and Norway, while 5th generation has actually been year of making. Now let us study one by one from 1st generation to 5th generation. 1G, developed in 1980s and completed in early 90s, based on analog system, speed up to 2.4 kbps. Advanced mobile phone system was launched by the US and it was the 1G mobile system. It allows user to make voice call in country. 2G, developed in late 1980s and completed in late 90s, based on digital system, speed up to 64 kbps. Service such are digital voice and SMS with more clarities. Semi-global facilities. 2G and the handset we are using today with 2.5G having more capabilities. 3G, developed between late 90s and early 20s. Transmission speed from 125 kbps to 2 mbps. Superior voice quality. Good clarity in video conferencing, email, PDA, information surfing, online shopping, banking, gaming, etc. Global roaming is available in 3G. 4G, developed in 2010, faster and reliable than other 3G, 2G, 1G, speed up to 100 Mbps, high performance, easy roaming and low cost than others. Now 5G, next major phase of mobile telecommunication and wireless system, 10 times more capacity than other, expected speed up to 1 Gbps, more faster and reliable than 4G, low cost than previous generation. Key concepts. Real wireless world with no more limitation with access and zone issues. Wearable devices. IPv6, where a visiting care of mobile IP address is assigned according to location and connected network. One unified global standard. Smart radio. The user can be connected with several wireless across technology. Multiple concurrent data transfer paths available. Hardware of 5G uses UWB ultra wide band network with high BW at low energy levels. BW is of 4000 Mbps, which is 4 times faster than today's wireless network. Uses smart antenna, use CDMA, code division multiple access. Software of 5G. 5G will be a single unified standard of different wireless network, including LAN technology, LAN WAN, WWW, World Wide Wireless Web, unified IP and seamless combination of broadband. Software-defined radio encryption antivirus. High resolution for crazy cell phone users. Features of 5G. High resolution for crazy cell phone users. Bidirectional large BW. Less traffic. 25 Mbps connectivity speed. Enhanced and available connectivity just about the world. Uploading and downloading speed of 5G touching the peak up to 1 Gbps. Better and faster solution than 5G. It introduced high quality service based on policy to avoid error. Support virtual private network, more attractive and effective. Provide subscribers supervision tools for fast action. Now advantages of 5G. Data BW of 1 Gbps or higher. Globally accessible. Dynamic information access. Available at low cost. Applications of 5G. Wearable device with artificial intelligence capability. It offers global network, media independent handover, radio resource management, voice over IP enabled devices with 6th sense technology. Now we are on conclusion. 3G is based on operator centric, while 4G is based on service centric, whereas 5G is based on user centric. We have proposed 5G wireless concept designed as an open platform on different layer. The new coming 5G technology will be available in the market at affordable rates, high peak feature and much reliability than preceding technologies. Thank you. Hope you like the video.